Alright, so we literally have no makeup on at all. I look crazy. I'm super sick right now too, so I took my nails off today, so I look wonderful. But this is my hair, fresh out of the shower about 3-ish hours, 4 hours, so it is completely dry. But this is my hair naturally. I don't know why I said it like that. All natural. I'm going to do some face makeup and then I will be right back with a cuter outfit on and my makeup all done. Okay, so we are back and we are full glam. I did not do a tutorial on this look, but if you want one, then drop it down below and let me know. So we're just going to go ahead and jump into this crazy hair. So the first thing that I always do is, of course, brush it. So I'm going to use the Wet and Dry is what they're called. These brushes, mine's full of hair, but these are literally the best brushes. I have like 7 of them just laying around because they never rip out my hair or anything like that. So, and this is the first time I am brushing it since getting out of the shower. So. Okay, so we are done brushing it, so this is kind of what we're working with now. This is my full natural hair. It is super fine, but it is very long. So I'm actually going to show y'all how I do my loose beachy waves. I have done a video like this before. It's down a few videos, but this video is going to be very updated because I don't even curl my hair with those tools or do it that way anymore. So this is the new way that I've decided to curl my hair. So the next thing that I'm going to do before we just start jumping into curling is you want to be sure to use a very good heat protectant. So my choice is the Kenra Platinum Heat Protectant. I don't know about y'all, but after I get out of the shower, when it's shampoo day, my hair literally holds no curl, no volume, no nothing. So I'm going to go in with some dry shampoo. This is the Dove Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo because you know your girl definitely needs that. So I'm going to go in and we're just going to spray the roots all the way around, and then I will show y'all how I blend it, I guess. Alright, so we have this crazy look going on. It does leave a white look. So this is how I make it look nicer, I guess, and actually get rid of the oil. So you just want to go in and rub it really, really good. So that way you can hide all of the white residue and, of course, give you the volume and all that good stuff. Alright, so we definitely have some volume now. So I'm just going to go back in with my brush and just brush this through again so we don't have any residue or anything like that. Go ahead and part my hair into 2 sections. So now we just have the bottom part, and I'm going to use the Argan Heat One and Only 1.5 inch curler, and I don't use the clamp, so I basically use it as a wand. So we're just going to jump into this because it is already heated up, so I'm just going to brush through. I do one side at a time. So we're just going to pull this over there. And I like to start in the back, so it would be the bottom part. That much, and cut it in half. So I take about this much and I open the clamp, hold it upside down, and wrap around. And I leave out, I don't know if y'all can see, but about that much hair. I don't even know if y'all can see. And then I drop it and I just hold it into my hand to let it cool. And that's what it looks like. Is one side done, so now we're going to start working on the other side. So same thing, I'm gonna pull this over here. Same thing, start from the bottom / back half and open up your clamp like that, hold it upside down and go right in and leave out the tail. And then since it does have the end that won't burn you, the little protector cap, I just set that in my palm and I just hold the end with my 2 fingers and I let it sit for about 10 to 15 seconds and then I just drop it and try my best to hold it. And then that's what she looks like. That one's super spirally, but when I get done I will show y'all what I do to make them more beachy. So again, we're just going to keep doing this process until we have the whole head done. Alright, so the bottom half is done. This is kind of what it looks like. I can't really show y'all because my hair is so long, but basically the ends are straight. When I get done, I will show you a full look. But now we're going to do the top half, and I do only do it in 2 sections because, like I said, I do have very long hair, but it's super freaking fine, so I can do it in 2 sections because there's just not a lot of hair that I'm working with. These are the finished curls. I didn't even video this side because I figured y'all would be like so bored anyways. So now I'm going to show y'all how I actually get the beachy effect. So I have my straightener heating up. This is the Kendra's Boutique straightener. I will link her down below. I actually won this in a giveaway 2 or 3 years ago. And she's still going strong, still works good. So I love this straightener, plus it is gorgeous. Her name is right here. K Hair Barb is what she goes by, but Kendra's Boutique is her boutique. So that's the little bag that the straightener actually came in, and it's a heat thingy magic or whatever. So I'm going to take the straightener and we are going to take those tails that we left out and straighten those little things straight down. So all you do is just whoop. Do y'all love the sound effects? So we're just going to, I don't even know if y'all can see. I'm trying not to burn myself, basically. Okay, so you just want to take it and just, those little tails, you're just going to make completely straight like you're straightening your hair. And y'all are probably thinking, girl, that sounds dumb, but I'm telling you. Okay, so now to make sure it all stays, I'm going to go in with some hairspray, and I love the Aussie hairspray. I have used this hairspray forever. So here's the finished look. You could easily like pin it back like real cute and like tease her up real high, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it down for the sake of this video. So this is the finished little tutorial. I really like doing my hair like this, especially if it is date night or anything like that. It's just a nice elegance, but it's super easy and fast. So if you like this video, guys, please tell me down below what your favorite part was, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.